Alright, hey there everybody. Let's go ahead and talk about the segment addition postulate, what that is and how we are going to use it. So what is a segment? First thing I want to know is what is a segment? A segment is just a piece of a line. Lines go on forever. A segment is a piece of a line. A segment starts at A and ends at B. This is a segment. This is called, and we're going to revisit this again later on. This is segment. See how it starts and ends? Segment AB, or you can call it segment BA. Either start at A and end at B, or start at B and end at A. Either way, this is that piece of line, segment AB. And then a postulate, because we said segment addition postulate. So a segment is a piece of a line. We're going to add pieces of a line together, and that's a postulate. A postulate is a rule, that's all. That's all. A postulate is just a rule that every time I have used it, it's worked. So I don't necessarily need to prove it, but a postulate always works. Collinear is a set of at least 3 points that are all on the same line. So if I give you, let's do it this way. If I give you 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and let's name those points. Let's name these points M, J, and G. Notice I used all capital letters. And M, J, and G are all on the same line, then those points are collinear. You need at least 3. So if I put another point on that line, all 4 of those points are still collinear. M, J, G, and S are all collinear. Point M, point J, point G, point S are collinear because they are all on the same line. Now, if any one of these points is not on that line, then they are non-collinear. So if I take the points, let's say I start with M, J, and G again, M, J, and G. These 3 points are collinear. They are all on the same line. But as soon as I put S not on that line, M, J, G, and S are non-collinear. Sometimes I got in the habit when I was a youngster of using the hyphen. I guess since then it's become one word. So either way, so M, J, G, and S are non-collinear because S is off the line. So I could also do this. I could put S back, and if I wanted, we could move G. Again, non-collinear. Collinear. Collinear, move any of them off the line. Non-collinear. All right? There we go, non-collinear. So what's the segment addition postulate? Well, the segment addition postulate says if I give you 3 collinear points, G, E, and O, and one of the points, E is between G and O, then the length of GE, notice there's no line on top, that means length of, then what we got here is the length of GE, yellow, plus the length of EO, there's no line on top, so this means length, equals the length of GO. Boom. I like to say part plus part equals whole. Just a little something I have gone over to say. So the front part in yellow plus the back part in blue equals the whole length in green. So that's what the segment addition postulate says. Add the parts together, get the whole thing, which is like, well, yeah, no kidding. And that's why it's a postulate. So if we apply that, there we go. If we apply that to a new situation, let's write the segment addition postulate for this. So we know the front part plus the back part equals the whole thing. So the length of the front, I'm gonna do it. I like my fancy pen. Come on now. There we go. So the length of the front, EO, there's my yellow, plus the length of the blue equals the length of the green. The length of EO plus the length of OG equals the length of the whole thing. Boom, colors make it pop. On this next one, let's write the segment addition postulate for this one. So now G is between. G is between. Notice I didn't say middle, I said between. So again, the first part plus the second part equals the whole thing. So I know the yellow part plus the blue part equals the length of the green part. That's my postulate. So OG plus GE equals OE. G is between, O is between. Boom. All right, so I now want you to do it without a picture. So let's draw and label the described segment, and then let's write the segment addition postulate associated with it. So to use the segment addition postulate, and B is between F and R, I need to make 3 points. We're going to make 3 points. Those are going to be points B. Oh, not B doesn't go there. B is between F and R. So B goes there. F, I'm going to put F in front, and I am going to put R in back. And there's my segment. B is between F and R. So what I can do now is I can say the segment addition postulate allows me to say the length of FB plus the length of BR equals the entire length. So the length of FB plus the length of BR equals the entire length, FR. Let's try it with a different setup. L is between T and M. So my 3 points are going to get these letters where L is between L, T, M. All of them are collinear because we're using the segment addition postulate. So again, front, that yellow piece, plus the back, the blue piece, yellow plus blue, of course, for you art people, equals green. Come on, fancy. Yellow plus blue equals green. TL plus LM equals TM. There's the segment addition postulate. All right, so go ahead and let's answer these bell work questions. Get these 3 questions into student view, and it will tell you which ones are right or wrong. And if you need them turned back on, we will make that happen. I'll see you when I see you, Patriots.